Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Tesla app and signing in. Make sure your car shows online. Once logged, confirm Sentry Mode and Dashcam are enabled under Control Safety. This permits camera streams and clips. If the vehicle is offline, connect it to Wi-Fi or ensure mobile data is active, because Live View needs connectivity. Now tap the vehicle card to expand controls and get ready to access the camera's icon. This begins the live camera viewing process. Once you tap the camera's icon, the app connects and streams available views. You'll see front, rear, and side cameras. Swipe horizontally to switch. Make sure to use pinch gestures to zoom where the app supports it, and watch for a short buffering delay if signal is weak. To inspect recorded events, choose playback or clips, then select a time range. This loads saved footage from Sentry or Dashcam. If clips fail to load, try refreshing the view or reloading the app to re-establish the feed. To finish, export any needed clips by tapping Save or Share in Playback. You can download footage to your phone for evidence or archiving. If you can't see live cameras, make sure both your app and car firmware are current and the car shows online. Updates fix many connectivity issues. Also confirm your USB drive is properly formatted and healthy for Dashcam storage, because corrupted storage prevents saves. If problems persist, reboot the app and, if necessary, contact Tesla support with timestamps and vehicle details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.